Hello friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. Ved channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor and Head Veterinary Medicine. Here we will study important bacterial disease and Crotoxemia type C. In part 4, we will discuss differential diagnosis, treatment, prevention and control. Differential diagnosis, various infections produce diarrhea and dysentery in neonates. Similarly, bacterial enteritis, hemorrhagic enteritis in neonates caused by few bacterial organisms, and most important are E. coli that also causes enterotoxemia. Salmonella also causes enterotoxemia. Clostridium perfringens type A, B, C, D, and E also causes. So this differentiation can be cleared or confirmed by a laboratory examination, isolation and identification of the organism, various serological tests also. Several viral enteritis also produce severe enteritis or severe hemorrhagic enteritis in neonates. And these virus enteritis are rotaviral enteritis caused by rotavirus, coronaviral enteritis caused by coronavirus, parvoviral enteritis caused by parvovirus. This can be differentiated from our Clostridium perfringens type C by identification and isolation of viruses from the samples and conducting various immunological tests specific to the disease. Several protozoa also causes diarrhea by causing enteritis or severe hemorrhagic enteritis. Coccidiosis is caused by Eimeria or Isospora species, cryptosporidiosis by Cryptosporidium parvum, and giardiasis. This is easy to differentiate and to diagnose. This can be diagnosed by microscopic examination of the fecal sample. We discuss here the treatment aspect. In per acute cases, there is death without symptoms. Even we are not getting the chance to treatment. In some of the very acute cases, the disease cause necrosis and ulceration of intestine, severe case, severe dehydration, severe anemia, septicemia, toxemia, and acidosis. So when all this gather, serious attack on the body. So in very severe cases, treatment is usually ineffective. Only specific therapy is hyperimmune serum. That to be given earlier, then there are chances of recovery. Intensive fluid therapy is required because of the dehydration, acidosis, and toxemia, and supportive treatment can also be given. Continue with the treatment. Oral and parenteral administration of antibiotics. Prompt and proper treatment. The recommended antibiotics are penicillin, tetracycline, chlortetracycline, sulfa groups of drugs, sulfa drugs in combination with trimethoprim, and any other effective antibiotics can be given. This antibiotic kill the Clostridia and it prevents the further proliferation of the Clostridia. So in this way, it will help and prevent the disease. Prevention of enterotoxemia type C. For the prevention, prophylactic vaccination is given. The vaccine and vaccination schedule is as per the instruction of the manufacturer can be followed. Vaccination of the pregnant dam, especially during last third part of the pregnancy, makes the colostrum rich in passive immunity. And this colostrum helps in prevention of disease in the neonates. It is advisable initially with 2 vaccinations at 1 month apart. The first vaccination, second is a booster one, and then subsequent vaccination thereafter will be the annual vaccination. Here we discuss the control measure of Clostridium perfringens type C. First is prompt and proper treatment. Treatment of, if possible, not only sick but in contact and export animals also. Immunization of neonates with antitoxin immediately after birth, and general control measures that we follow with the enterotoxemia can be followed here. Isolation of the animal, proper hygiene and sanitation, fly control, disinfection of the premises, proper disposal of the feces, because feces contain large number of the organism. So feces should be properly disposed. Friends, we have discussed here differential diagnosis, treatment, prevention and control of enterotoxemia type C. This is the last video of enterotoxemia type C. Requested to share this information to veterinarians and veterinary friends. To promote the channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video.